Review time.
Lekker.
Felix, also known as Mr. Feliz. Oh, this guy, he brought us so much joy and pleasure. That's why we call him Mr. Feliz. All the way from San Francisco, 5 stars accuracy, 5 stars cleanliness, check-in 5 stars, communication 5 stars, location 5 stars, value 5 stars, overall rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Hey! Public review. If you are reading this, you can stop searching for a place to stay in Curacao, because this is the place to book. Really, any of Kim and Ray's places is a top recommendation. I have stayed at so many places in various locations, and I can say for sure that Kim and Ray and their family, Boy, Brit and Raymonde, are the best hosts in the entire planet of Earth. Yes! 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 If I could give a rating of 100 stars out of 5, I would.
Wow.
For context, I am mostly a solo traveler and I do work remotely around the world. I strive to stay in houses or apartments that I know I would feel at home in and have everything I need. And also feel I am part of the culture by being an actual resident. This place is exactly that. Kim and family were so communicative and friendly. I felt we were friends for a long time already, even before meeting them. They gave me so many great recommendations and tips. You don't have to plan much. Just buy your plane ticket and stay here. And stay long enough where you get the extra package, where you benefit so you can drive the open roof Jeep around the beautiful island. Ride on their boat and tour Jan Thiel's most exclusive homes and lake and shuttle service from and to the airport. It's worth every dollar for their extra package.
Oh.
The house was clean and well furnished. It has everything you need. The internet speed was fast and stable. I did work from there. The outside patio area was where I spent most of my time. The breeze was crisp and refreshing. I laid in the hammock for a long time. Now let's talk about the beds. It is literally the best bed I have ever slept on in my entire life, and I am not kidding at all. I want to have the same setup in my home. Kim and family go so above and beyond, it's unbelievable. They custom made a cute wooden door tag for me. They made a local fresh coconut drink for my arrival. Gifted me a rum they make themselves. And they also said they will make beep, 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 beep when the trip is done. Literally, all my expectations have been blown away. I literally was not prepared for such an awesome host. I will be coming back to Curacao and I will see Kim, Ray and family again.
Hey.
In fact, I'm ready to quit my job and start working for them. Please send me the offer letter. Muchas gracias por todo.
We love you, Felix.
Echt, Mr. Feliz, you're hired. And we pay many coconuts a month. Unlimited amount of coconuts per month. No problem. Thank you, man. This is incredible. And this was a really special guy. He brought so much pleasure. He's an example of somebody who travels alone and he brings the vibe for 10 people. And also he was a huge tipper. I mean, as far as he traveled from San Francisco to Curacao, this was how big his tip was. He was alone, he tipped like for 10 persons. You're incredible. And it's not about the money, but it shows so much appreciation and everybody gets energy out of this. So I have to stop talking because I can do this for 2 more hours because it blows my mind away.